The two quotes quoted in my intro actually are not mine. One of them belongs to Greta Thunberg and the other one belongs to Oscar Wilde. But I completely subscribe to both of them. So while I will address the disability inclusive initiatives, I would really like to focus on one primary thing, and that is intent and commitment. Okay, here I'm largely would speak from a small company's perspective because a lot of people feel that, when you are looking at building inclusiveness, you need to be of a certain size, you need to be of a certain scale of having a certain amount of financial size, etc. I don't know how many of you are aware when we started off with Mr. Agarwal. We were a very small company, and Mr. Agarwal was just setting up Sarthak. In fact, he was operating out of his clinic in Delhi, where he had just converted the clinic into a training center. And when I first went there, I saw that there was a dentist chair that he was used to practice, and he had placed it on the side, and then he had got some tables, and then he was trying to set it up. Coming back to that, when we said that we're going to start with this, the intent was there, and then we made a complete commitment to the cause. So I think for me, that comes primary, that you have to have an intent and you have to have a commitment, and the commitment and the intent has to come from the top management, and only then will it percolate downwards. So to give you a small example, of course, so when we started out, we had no structure in place. We didn't know what to do. We didn't know what to expect because everything was new for us, and for as well for Sarthak as well. So, but we put it down to three basic things that we wanted to accomplish. First of all, when we said we have an intent, a commitment, the intent or commitment was communicated effectively to everyone within the organization. So when we started off, we told all our line managers, everyone, that this is what we intend to do. And this was even before the PWDs joined us. So that everyone was aware and in sync of what we intended to do and accomplish. Secondly, what we wanted to do was that we wanted to make our workspaces or our offices familiar with them. We wanted them to be well integrated into our organizations. We wanted them to be as much of an employee as any one of them that was there. And the third thing we said that was that we will treat all PWDs as regular employees with a similar matrix.